Hello people, you want to see how I shift this to this? Watch this video. So I added in on the okro. I bought this okro almost €5. Okro is so costly now, guys. In your area, how much will this cost? So I added salt, I added water, and I would like to be there for like 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, it has roasted 5 to 10 minutes. I'll just rinse off all this salt and I'll go ahead to cut them. So guys, there are days that you are so tired and you want to cook. So this is the method that I use. So the soup will be out soon. My okra soup recipe. So this is it, guys. If you are new to the channel, follow me for more amazing videos. Like and share. All my returners, thank you for always returning. May the good Lord bless you all. Follow me on social network, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Follow me, guys. It's the same name that I am using, Lady B Varieties. Feel free to check my channel out. You can see other of my videos. I cut vegetables, cooking, health recipes, family lifestyle, everything is here. So I'll just cover and crush it. So this is it, guys. Super easy, super fast. If you want to make okra and you have this kind of crusher, it's a go, guys. So this is the end part. Look at it, nice and lovely. Bye.